Imagine a new life in a new country, packed with investment opportunities, ripe for the taking. Sounds enticing, right? Welcome to our journey into the world of real estate, where we'll unveil the allure of new beginnings in lands far and wide. Our journey starts with a step back in time to explore the charm of historical properties. These are not just buildings, they're time capsules echoing the stories and traditions of eras gone by. But restoring these gems to their former glory is not without challenges. Preservation principles must be adhered to, ensuring the building's character and integrity are maintained. And let's not forget the legal and regulatory considerations, a complex maze that requires careful navigation. Yet, the rewards are plentiful. From government schemes to grants, there are numerous avenues to fund these restoration projects. Each successful restoration breathes new life into these historical properties, preserving a piece of history for future generations. But our journey doesn't stop there. We also venture into the realm of sustainable living, where eco-friendly developments are paving the way for a greener future. Imagine living in a home that harnesses the power of nature, from passive house design to smart heating systems, green roofing to geothermal heating. The future of home design is not only about luxury, but also about sustainability and efficiency. And what about those hidden gems, the cultural hotspots waiting to be discovered? These are the areas where property values are set to skyrocket, where the local culture thrives and the community spirit is infectious. But beware, not every promising area is a property hotspot. It takes a keen eye and a deep understanding of the local market to identify these potential gold mines. So, where do we start in this journey? Let's dive into the world of historical properties, a realm where the past meets the future, where every stone and beam tells a story. Join us as we embark on this exciting adventure, exploring real estate investment opportunities in your new country. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll delve deeper into emerging tech districts, waterfront retreats, and adventure tourism residences. Don't miss out on this journey of discovery. Subscribe to the Around Money and Emigration channel. The Allure of New Beginnings awaits. Historical properties whisper stories of the past, standing tall as testaments of time. They are more than just bricks and mortar. They are timeless narrators of history, often embodying the spirit of the times they were built in. They offer a unique opportunity for real estate investors, allowing you to own a slice of history while potentially reaping substantial returns. Preserving these historical properties is of paramount importance, not just for their architectural beauty, but for the cultural and historical significance they hold. However, restoring these structures is no small feat. It involves meticulous planning, skilled craftsmanship, and a deep understanding of the property's historical context. The challenge lies in maintaining the building's character and integrity while also ensuring it's fit for modern use. Luckily, various government schemes and grants exist to support such endeavours. Organisations like Historic England and various government departments offer funding based on factors such as the building's designation, the nature of the application, and the planned works. But navigating this landscape requires a strong understanding of the legal and regulatory considerations, as well as the ability to negotiate a compromise between heritage and modern necessities. For instance, in Spain, historic properties designated as Bien de Interés Cultural come with strict guidelines for alterations and renovations, requiring approval from local authorities. Similarly, in North Carolina, understanding the preservation regulations and zoning laws is crucial when renovating historical homes. Yet, the effort is worthwhile. Not only does restoring a historical property protect a piece of our shared past, but it also makes for a unique and potentially lucrative investment opportunity. In England, for example, English Heritage awards £30 million annually for the restoration and upkeep of historic buildings, monuments, and landscapes. This funding comes from a diverse array of sources, including members, private donations, commercial ventures, and the Department for Culture, Media, and Sport, demonstrating the widespread support for these initiatives. While historical properties offer a unique investment opportunity, there's another side to real estate that's shaping the future, sustainable living. But that's a tale for another scene. For now, let these historical properties stir your imagination as we continue exploring the fascinating world of real estate investment in the next scene. As the world shifts towards a more sustainable future, so does the real estate industry. The homes we live in, the spaces we work, and the places we unwind are all transforming to embrace the ethos of sustainable living. Eco-friendly developments are at the forefront of this change, shaping the way we think about design, construction, and living itself. One of the groundbreaking trends is the passive house design. By focusing on optimal energy efficiency, these homes maintain a comfortable temperature year-round, drastically reducing the need for artificial heating or cooling. But it's not all about the structure. The systems within these homes are just as innovative. Smart heating systems, for instance, analyze real-time data and user preferences to provide warmth exactly when and where it's needed. And then there's the green roofing, a trend that's transforming our urban landscapes. By bringing vegetation to our rooftops, we're not only improving insulation, but also contributing to biodiversity and rainwater management. The drive towards sustainability doesn't stop at the surface. It goes deep, literally. Geothermal heating systems harness the steady temperatures underground to provide warmth in the winter and cooling in the summer. And for those not ready to dig deep, air source heat pumps are a great alternative, extracting heat from the air outside to warm the home inside. Every aspect of sustainable living revolves around efficiency, and that includes the way we use our most precious resource, water. Rainwater harvesting systems collect, filter, and store rain for later use, reducing reliance on mains water and helping to conserve this vital resource. Sustainable design is not just about new builds, it's also about rethinking our existing spaces. Prefabricated homes, built off-site and then assembled on location, offer a fast and efficient way to create comfortable, sustainable living spaces. And let's not forget tiny homes. With their compact design and low energy needs, they're the epitome of doing more with less. Sustainable living isn't just a trend, it's the future. But let's not forget about the cultural hotspots that make a place truly special. Stay tuned as we delve into the vibrant world of property hotspots in our next segment. Culture is the lifeblood of a city, and investing in cultural hotspots is like buying a piece of that lifeblood. But what exactly is a property hotspot? It's a residential area that's been overlooked and remains undervalued. These areas are like hidden gems, ripe for growth and poised to outperform other areas in terms of property value. Now, what a property hotspot isn't, is an area that's been overly exploited by the media or regeneration industry. These areas often lack character, have uncertain neighbours and surroundings, so it's important to invest in places that have a distinct charm and defined character. So what triggers a property hotspot? It's often major infrastructure initiatives and changes in area perception. For instance, areas with good schools and an aspirational element often become hotspots. But remember, it's not just about the property value, it's about the culture, the people, and the community. Now let's look at some examples. Cities like Lisbon, Barcelona, Athens, and Dublin have become attractive real estate destinations due to their unique attractions, favourable tax advantages, and diverse living options. They offer a rich tapestry of cultures, climates, and lifestyles, making them desirable for many. However, before you dive in, it's crucial to do extensive research, consult local experts, and consider long-term objectives. Each city, each neighbourhood has its own rhythm, its own pulse. And to truly benefit from investing in a cultural hotspot, you need to align with that pulse, with that rhythm. Investing in cultural hotspots isn't just about the money, it's about being a part of a vibrant and dynamic community. So take the plunge, immerse yourself in the culture, and let the vibrancy of these hotspots guide your investment journey. We've journeyed through the past with historical properties, looked to the future with sustainable living, and immersed ourselves in the present with cultural hotspots. It's been a whirlwind tour, hasn't it? Let's take a quick breather to recall the highlights of our adventure. We've unearthed the allure of historical properties and the intricate dance between preservation and modernization. We've navigated the challenges of restoring these architectural gems and discovered the rewarding journey it can be. From the labyrinth of government schemes and grants to the fine print of legal and regulatory considerations, we've seen that restoring historical buildings is not just a labour of love, but a commitment to preserving our shared heritage. Then we ventured into the realm of sustainable living and eco-friendly developments, where we found that luxury and sustainability are not mutually exclusive. We explored the green trends shaping home design, such as passive house design, smart heating systems, and green roofing. We've also seen how prefabricated homes and tiny homes are redefining our concept of a dream house, proving that size doesn't always matter when it comes to luxury living. Finally, we delved into the vibrant world of cultural hotspots, dissecting what makes a property hotspot and what doesn't. We've learned that it's not just about location, but also about the unique character and potential of an area to transform into a thriving community. And that, my friends, is just the beginning. In part 2 of our series, we will dive into real estate opportunities in emerging tech districts, waterfront retreats, and adventure tourism residences. We'll also discuss ways to fund the purchase of your choice and delve into the all-important aspect of return on investment. Join us in part 2 as we continue to explore the exciting world of real estate investment in a new country. Don't forget to subscribe to the Around Money and Emigration channel for more insightful videos. Until then, keep exploring and investing wisely.